Konnichiwa. Jambo. Hello. Maganda hapon. Mwadila wa maana bababa. Okay, it's Masunga John here this evening. What I'm going to do this evening is to unbox my new phone, which has been launched recently. Yeah, maybe a week or 2 weeks ago. And this phone is called Google. It's a phone by Google, and it's 5G. 5G. So it's I think the recent one, almost the same as iPhone 12. Yeah, iPhone 12. So it's called Pixel 4a 5G. Pixel 4a 5G is by Google. So I'm kind of excited, and it comes with this is the book, the manual. Yeah, it's called 5G, Google Pixel 4a 5G. Okay, so the meaning of 5G, I think it's because of the newest speed, or because now most of us are using 4G. I think, yeah. So like in Japan now, you know, the phone displays 5G if you are in a place where it's connected by 5G. I mean, if there's 5G connection in that area, so your phone will go with the speed of 5G. So like in Japan, there are many places which don't have 5G yet. So areas like Shibuya or Shinjuku and maybe around Tokyo station, yeah, you can find 5G speed. But in many areas, there's no 5G yet. So you'll be using 4G. Even though your phone is 5G, still you will use 4G in areas where there's no 5G yet. So kind of excited. It comes with its manual. Okay, it has a deal, YouTube Premium. So if you have this one, you can use YouTube Premium for 3 months free of charge. But you have to be careful, because when the free time, 3 months are over and you keep using it, you'll be charged. So when you start using YouTube Premium, make sure that after 3 months, if you wanna go on, you should go on, but you have to pay for it. If you don't wanna go on with it, then it's up to you. All right, now let's start unboxing. So here it is. Okay, so it's big. I like how it is. Okay, so here it is. Okay, I just touched it. All right, so yes, here it is. The camera looks almost is of iPhone 11 Pro or iPhone 11 Pro Max. You can see here is G, which means Google, and you can see how big it is. Right, it's big. So what does it come with? Okay, after opening, all right, let's open. Okay, it comes with a SIM card, and what else? Google something. What is this? Okay, here's the key. Yes, how to open and insert your SIM card, I guess, and the rest is here. So I guess this is this is a charger. It's a charger. And what else? it comes with this cable. This cable, when I was taking it, I was told this is for transferring your data. I mean, from your old phone to the new phone. So you connect, it's type C. Type C. So you connect your new phone, Google 4A 5G, and your old phone, and you connect them together. When you connect them, it will transfer the data to your new phone. But let's say this is C-type. It is C-type. But let's say if your phone is not a C-type, the old one, so there's a connector here. Okay. This one here. You can see. I don't want to remove it because I'm not going to use it. So this one you will connect. I mean, it's a USB cable type. So you connect your 5G 4A and you connect the USB type here. Okay, let's see if I can remove it, although I don't want to remove it. Oh yeah, this is how it is. USB connected there and C-type like this. This is your phone, you connect it there and this cable, then you can transfer your information from the old phone to the new phone. That is it. Okay, so I can see that's the only thing which it comes with. The cable and charger. The cable, the charger, yeah, cable and charger and the cable connector, that's it. So there is no earphone like iPhones. There's no earphone with it. The only thing which comes with it is only this one. So you will have to buy your own earphone, I guess. But alright, let me switch it on. Okay, this is how it looks. It looks great. It looks great. So, for instance, let me show, the sound. Let me go to my YouTube channel and let me play one of the my videos, one of my videos. Not bad. I like the sound. It's very good. Yeah. Okay, how about picture? I think it's very good for taking pictures, as I was told. So, for example, here, let me take a picture of myself. Okay. Yep. Very good pictures, right? Yeah. It's good. I like it. And you can, use different angles to take pictures. So I think it's a good one. So I'm kind of excited. I'm excited. To start using Google instead of other phones. So it's a new one. With coconut. Wow, it must be yummy. Alright, I like the sound. Let me show you the sound is very good. Here are the ingredients. Coconut, coconut milk, sugar, very good, right? Sugar, salt, and some water. Okay, some water. So now we are going to loud enough. Just like iPhone. Alright, so that was all about unboxing my new phone, which is called Google Pixel 4a 5G, and here it is. It's big enough. I like the size. The size is really good. So anyway, after watching this video, and you can see how it is, the camera is really good. So it was just launched recently, so I'm excited to use a new phone now. It's Masunga John, and after watching this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment. It's Masunga John. Goodbye for today. Johnny, kwaheri, paalam.